UMLA ke Bharatiya Janata Party na South Shillong constituency uba Sanbor Sulai Uloong ki Paidbah nong Shong Shnong ke South Shillong Kim Don Kam Beneki ne Let Chong Shah Thngan additional secretariat Bandawa Maramot ne Penyo Surok Hapo Kishnong da ka baul ai nuksa ba dangshen ka wei ka long kmi napo Ribhoi district kata ka kong binda suim ka banak Shnong umden kala hap ban Shong Shah Thngan na ka benta ban dawa na ka sorkar man snai ka Surok nongpo umden sunapur ngalong ubadan bok bangadon hak BJP nagamanta man penyo ikis kim bapher hapo o constituency bat uloong pagi Paidbah nong Shong Shnong ka South Shillong kim don kam banekhi nagamta ka Surok namar ki Paidbah ka South Shillong ngawanra Surok hapo jing Thiah ki thlewing jong ki Paidbah ong uba Sanbor ulakren yakini kintin hakas ngibu yu maunong rim man sedang i project bapher hapo ka constituency haga jinglot jingsep ka bakot khan rew kulur arlak Prapulai hajar news pa kanai penriu tengka ya kanai project labu maunung rim dauba Sanbor Sulai hak jingelang kapalalong ha asam klub laban hak bayadon lang ki he jokatanat PWD ki noyelam snong bat kiwe de
Vai marwai bapli ante ya akmat additional secretariat isong kelen war hunger strike Bandawa Bandio Surok nadu bai bapli long kumi dong dan Ribhoi Ndrei ka puwar ya bigi men para be batoi jongi hanan tau 19 South Shillong Constituency ndon kamba bili song hunger strike harus Surok naru boy jadu harus Surok bili Thiah Dawa Surok ubah Sanbor ya bigi no Surok 19 South Shillong hati Thiah la jong one eye Surok kembali cong awal strike Thiah alama ni Thiah kane ka Surok kawan asmat cobi menta kane ka ban sai kopi iwe ini suap masuru ban ayu besi siruble yang i balam baper my brother and sister in my constituency all faith and religion be it Christian, Sikh, Hindu, Muslim, indigenous Sngewsynei, or other religion. We are having, our Muslim brothers and sisters, they are having a masjid, in my constituency, adjacent to the place where I was born and brought up. Come to our Hindu brothers and sisters, we have got mandir, puja mandap. Come to our Christian brother and sister, be it Catholic, we are having a church house. Presbyterian, we have a church house. Grace Covenant Church, we have a church house. Full Gospel Fellowship, we have all Christian committees that are having their own church house. Come to our Buddhist faith. They are also having a Buddhist temple in my constituency there in Lupan. Except the indigenous faith, the Sngewsynei Rirai, we don't have a place of worship. We don't have a prayer house. So here, with the blessing of Almighty, I would like to express my sincere thanks from the bottom of my heart to one of our correspondents, Mr. Prakash Sharma, who is the BJP youth wing of Delhi. Mr. Bipan Pradhan, he went all the way to attend the party meeting in Guwahati, could not come, who is the local correspondent of the BJP in New Delhi. Walampok Kongwil, he's a headman of Leningrad, but he's the vice president of the GYM BJP. He's also one of the backbone, local correspondent of the BJP in Delhi, and also Mike Lasso, the local correspondent of my office. These are the main people who used to trace to follow the scheme, be it in any department. And also, Shulai, who played a very important role. He went to, he's not free to attend today because he has supported war. These are the people who used to do the fraud, be it in various departments. Until then, I have to go with my local correspondent and with my members of the BGP to Delhi to meet the Honorable Union Minister when the file has reached their table. I would like to express my sympathy. Scheme to online. To online, no? Online with the expectation because sanctioning scheme to online. Besok ba, dapat dia obat, Trishtom, but kini Kiba ko yung suban ayo yung blade. Baka day guys, the blade why kabor, why kabut kabor, katip ka lang kabor why bor bagin let's bitin ko man lagi department ni paper, but kam tam betul ko, but biang ya DPR, but biang iklan, estimate, but value ya ka sanction. Sanction lah apa lagi di central scheme, central sponsored scheme funded by the central government ni apa ni cedul ni Shong tayo ba dia lek ba dia keren matki BGP minister jung ya pada ni the state scheme ya boleh adu ka level ng chief minister but concerned minister but concerned top official jung various department kini ibu borong dari kecil kecil ayu ni aja jing songu yang boleh keran mulai air babon ini borong but ngaso ban air boleh kerpang ya di ground force ke Jong di ground force lalu kita jom jadi engineering tapi orang itu Surok ke Peludi ini top official di engineer di Peludi ini kita lecture saya dengan apa proposal pilih yang kedua ikram masuk ngansa thok layo agreement manager hari layo yang cakap putar kalau ada pimbet dengan yang masuk mansan yaki free gift dia hapunya kita hantu saya tu kan buat dengan yang department sawan buat sele mereka DPR buat kan sele cukup benda hadu beliau apa kacung nagalan Jong di ground force lah kata dia Surok di kita official di urban affairs department ada kinala di food park di Surok lah kata Shong municipal board lagi kata MTDC tersebut dares ban ko buat jadi berin bobo kena kata ki ke bangan so ban ting lagi ngamla pun it's like a dream kabak kumno kasi perkat kumno lah pun dia ya kata ke Surok Sanbor sulai road ke ba mur nagal yang kedua Shong ke ba boleh duduk sama yang rumah Shong yang halu bayaran kursiu mur hadin system sayo ke Surok dalam beli mengar itu it's like a dream no mampu so berayu ya ki members jongka laban gabarstan komiti lani tagalog di komiti kiba ki tuhat ki inungkit kam juga laban gabarstan komiti di kebungan ai lah ili school lang ang school laban ya kai helang haju ya kai lang yang marmul lagi su yang nakakataw maki bisa ai lu sinre menchua kabe pie ban naglen juga lu kita komiti joki orang muslim beriban ai terus te kam ting idan kam ganawai idan kam yana jingba kam ya bohong idan kam kawa aji munsi hak konsumsi idan kam buat ci panganawa ala iba buat skills iba carbon peaks ci Shah ni hu yopi it is a blessing of God because I am with the BGP who is ruling under the Prime Ministership of Narendra Modi ji. Even in cantonment area, very tough to get even 1 inch of land from the defense is very tough. Just because Sanbor is your GPMD. All the projects which I have sanctioned, which are brought from the to develop in the cantonment area, the defense area, in entire Cordon area, I'm the first MLA which I have managed to get the NOC for various developmental activities in Cordon area. Because I'm in BJP, I used to bring the NOC direct from Delhi through the Ministry of Defense. I would like also to express on behalf of you to all the land allotted to the people of Native South Shillong for construction of link road to link municipal area and Cordon area, and in Cordon area for construction of park, public toilet, bathroom, washing room, drainage system, septic tank, toilet, playfield for children, children's park, to Shri Rajnath Singh Ji, who is the defense minister. Direct permission order has been issued from his state. Thank you. Thank you, GP. Thank you, Narendra Modi Ji. Thank you, Amit Shah Ji. Thank you, Rajnath Singh Ji. Thank you, Jai Kishan Reddy Ji. And thank you all the people, all my workers, my supporters, my mentors, my party workers of the BJP, that we are here today. We are happy. As a BJP, we are working together and bringing different kind of developmental scheme. And this will be a continued process. So, my brother and sister, before I resume my seat, it is taught to us by all the holy books, the teaching of all the holy books, be it the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, it teaches us that very important thing that we should do in our day-to-day life. Be it the Bible of the Christian, that we should, the remaining part of our life, we should pray for each other. And I am taught by my mother, as per the teaching of all the holy books, that please don't forget to pray. When you wake up from the bed in the morning, you put your prayer to the Almighty God. And before you lie down to